I'm Jane Muigai Camphouse, Director and Founder, the Toolkit for Skills and Innovation in Kenya. Toolkit is about skilling Africa's youth so that Africa can stop importing skilled labor. We partner with private sector who take up the youth we have skilled. We have been able to receive great support from BMZ, from GIZ, and this has enabled us to access European technology like virtual reality in skilling young men and women to become MIG welders. We appreciate all partners to support us in skilling Africa's youth. Thank you.
And Jane she is not doing that alone. She's doing that together with a partner, and with that, the partner is Dig Vision. And I would like to welcome on stage Yaroslav, the Head of Business Development of Dig Vision.
Hi, good evening, everybody. Lovely to be here. Hello. So as Jane already introduced, we're going to talk today very briefly, unfortunately, about a project that is already existing in Kenya, and together with Toolkit, GIZ, and Jane, our company, Dig Vision, has created a technology that is currently not only enabling, but is actually working and enabling virtual training in Kenya in welding, ladies and gentlemen. Why welding? Welding is a profession that is extremely influencing the life of all of us. You can't imagine how many places the welding has existed, and especially in Africa. The welding and the vocational training is extremely important and extremely popular among children and youth. But unfortunately, due to various economical factors, this is what is happening. So we call it suicidal welding. There is difficulty in access training facilities. There is difficulty in accessing safety and proper procedures to work. So we decided to create a solution where enabling technology will allow children and youth to train in a safe environment and later upgrade their skills to the sufficient level. So we partner up with a lot of institutions. One of them is GIZ, which thank you very much for having us here. Thank you for being in this wonderful project. We're partnering up with governments, NGOs, because we want this technology to have a real impact on the society of Kenya. So, ladies and gentlemen, what we are doing is we're enabling communities for sustainable development. So we're giving them the innovative technology, as you can see over here, in a virtual welding set, like on the picture over there. That the children and the youth can train professionally the skills which later transfer to changing their future and working with international projects. We're encouraging the entrepreneurship as well, and we're giving them affordable and portable technology. So this is what is happening. So we're giving them the skills and giving them the opportunity to train, but most of all, our case is enabling them the gender diverse and inclusive training area. There is an extreme gap between men and women in Kenya and all over Africa, but with this technology, women for the first time, they can have access to profession which is currently occupied purely almost by men. So this is all, it empowers them and gives them an opportunity to work. So now, for the past approximately a year plus, we have already trained with our technology with real results. We have trained 300 welders, 300 youth to do that. And with usage of our technology, we have, thanks to the usage of the VR technology and our technology, during the process of the training, we have managed to decrease the carbon emission. The traditional ways of training in welding profession increases the carbon pollution. So during the training, the first session of the training and the first phase of the training, we have trained almost 50,000, we have done almost 50,000 samples. And those 50,000 samples without our technology would basically emit and waste so much material. And we managed to save through that time, through all of this technology, we managed to save from actual costs for over 1.5 million euros. So, ladies and gentlemen, the last but not least, our technology is changing and will change the future of vocational training in welding profession. And most important part is that anywhere we go, and we're planning to go anywhere we can, expect us to be there because our technology will change that environment. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much for this great insight into what we're doing together. We're actually both working on this project, the Make IT Alliance and Dig Vision, together with Toolkit. And instead of asking you a question, I would like to announce that since the project is going so well, we're currently working on extending it. We're talking to the Ministry of Education in Kenya at the moment. It all looks very promising, so we might go into a second round together.
That's correct. That's correct. Thanks very much.
Thank you.